As we head into the new year, many of us will make resolutions that center around weight loss, diet, and exercise. And with good reason. A sedentary lifestyle combined with poor dietary choices can significantly increase your risk for chronic disease. So starting a new routine is easy, but maintaining it is much harder. So there are some things you can do to help set you up for success. Many people think that change has to be big in order to work, and that's not true. You want to have a plan and start small. Start with one goal at a time, and once you accomplish that goal, then move on to the next one. So for example, when it comes to improving your dietary choices, a great place to start is reducing or eliminating sugar-sweetened beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages are the leading source of added sugar in the American diet and are associated with weight gain, obesity, diabetes, tooth decay, and many other health conditions. So reducing or eliminating sugar-sweetened beverages can help you maintain your weight and reduce disease risk. When it comes to exercise, again, have a plan and start small. Carve out 10 minutes a day, twice a week for walking, for example, and once you have that comfortably incorporated into your schedule, then you can increase from there. A couple other things you can do: you can take the stairs instead of the elevator or park further away from the door as a simple way to help you increase your steps throughout the day. And my favorite, dance around to your favorite music. It won't feel like exercise because it's fun, but you're increasing your heart rate, so it counts. The best exercise is the kind that you will do and have fun doing. You also might want to try the buddy system. The support and accountability from a family member or a friend can help set you up for success. And if you get off track with any of your resolutions, just get back on by doing the next right thing and go easy on yourself. And remember, it's about progress, not perfection.